Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here today. I am hopping on, filming ahead, and I'm not sure when this video is gonna come up, but I know that it's going to be about 30 days off from the Mitten Homesteaders conference, which is what we're going to talk about today. I am involved in that. This will be my second year being at the Mitten Homesteaders conference. I will be a speaker there, and also I'm going to be teaching a workshop class this year, which are new. They have, I'm not sure how many, there's quite a few workshop classes. I know there's one on bees. I think there's going to be a milk goat one. I saw a few of them. If you go to their website, mittenhomesteaders.com, you'll be able to see the list of all of those, and you might be able to choose one that you would like to do. But for my class, I am going to be teaching a drop spindle class this year. So I'm going to teach you how to make your own yarn the way I started making my own yarn. Very basic, very simple, very easy, not expensive at all, and hopefully you'll fall in love with it like I did. I wanted to show you a couple of things that you'll be getting when you come to my class. And also, I'm going to put a plug in here too. I am hoping to have, I've already had a couple of people reach out to me saying, I can't go to your class at the conference. Will you be having another one? And I am planning on having one here in June. Hopefully nothing happens to change that. But right now I'm looking towards the end of June. If you are interested in doing a class here at the farm, and if you're in the Mid-Michigan area, would you pop a comment down below and let me know that you would be interested in that way? I can contact you. I will be doing a much more formal thing, but I'm trying to get a feel for numbers and see if there is an interest to set something up. And once I kind of get a feel for it, I'll be able to set a date and get more specifics for you. But it would be here at the farm. It would be a Saturday morning, and there would be food involved because there's always food involved when I'm around. So, but let me show you, if you sign up or have signed up for the Mitten Homesteaders class on drop spindling, I want to show you what you're going to get, because you will take home some goodies that will hopefully start you on your yarn journey. I typically, and I had planned on ordering drop spindles from Amazon, because I can get both of these on Amazon. These are ones that I've had for years. One of them is kind of the one that I learned. I learned on a support spindle and went to this drop spindle. But I have both a top whirl. When you say a top whirl, this is a whirl. So the whirl is on the top here. You can see the hook. And this is a bottom whirl spindle. And these were the two that I had planned on ordering for my class. This is an Ashford student spindle. I love both of these. I especially like this one. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got some dimension to it. And so once you get this spinning, it really spins. So I planned on ordering straight off Amazon, getting these in. And then I started doing some research on Etsy and decided, you know what, I want to support other small businesses, makers, and things. And so I found a gal, I have her little card here, on Etsy, and there are lots of these. The reason she came up first on my feed was because she's in Illinois, which isn't too far from Michigan. And so she was considered a local maker to me. And this is Essie's, S-E. Essie's Spinning, etc. That is her business card. I will put a link to her site. She has an Etsy shop, and it looks like she has a Facebook page. I need to get in and follow her. But I ordered all of my spindles, I have a big box here, from her. I went off, she did have dimensions and weight, and so that helped me some, because I knew how I love the weight of these ones. And these are just maybe an ounce lighter. Maybe not, maybe about the same. I knew they were real close. But she makes these, and she has both a bottom whirl and a top whirl. So you will get to choose. There's not a huge difference, but there is a slight difference in spinning with these. So you'll get to choose one of these. And I like both of these. I like the weight on both of these. I have not tried them out yet. I will be doing a video on trying each of these out. And what else did I get? So those, you will each get to choose one of those. And then also I have some fiber. I ordered a whole bag of fiber from Revolution Fiber, which I will put their link down below also. And I have a coupon code for you guys from Revolution Fiber, and it gets you free shipping. So the coupon code, I'll put all the information down below, but it is Tailspin Farm, and that will get you free shipping. So along with your drop spindle, you're going to get one of these. I kind of went with some neutrally kind of colors, so you'll get to, hopefully you'll get to choose a color that you like. And let me pull this out. So this is just a roving, and this is merino, 100% merino. So this is really beautiful fiber. I had wanted to get pencil roving, but I didn't want to make it too easy. I wanted the class to be able to know. So pencil roving is that really thin roving that you can almost take and just spin it the way it is, if that makes sense. You don't have to do a lot of drafting with it. And I kind of went back and forth with myself. And one of the biggest tricks I feel in learning how to spin is learning how to draft. And if you take the pencil roving and start with that, you don't really learn. I mean, eventually you will, but you don't learn the technique of drafting. And so I went with these, and actually we will break these down in class. I will show you how to kind of turn this into pencil roving. But so that's what you're going to get, is you get your choice of a top or a bottom whorl. Let me get these in the right place. Top or bottom whorl spindle, and one of these for the class to get started on. So I'm super excited about that. And again, I will try to get information up on a class here at the farm. I am looking at doing both a drop spindle class, maybe more than one, and also spinning wheel classes here at the farm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you want to get tickets to the Mitten Homesteaders Conference, they are still available. I'll put the website down below. I believe that the workshop tickets are going to stop selling May 1st. So if you want to get into one of the workshops, make sure to go there before May 1st. You have a couple weeks. So by the time this video comes up, you probably will have, let's see. Yeah, I guess a couple weeks before the workshops are closed. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I hope you get to create something today. Bye.